How to get funding for your construction business. If you're in construction or contracting, you already know that cash flow can make or break a project. Whether it's payroll, materials, or equipment, sometimes you need funds and you need them fast. Click on the link below to get to this page. So our team has worked with contractors, remodelers, and builders across the country, helping them secure the capital they need to keep projects on schedule. We work as independent brokers. We're not part of David Allen Capital itself, but we've chosen to work with them because they consistently deliver the best funding options for our clients and for our own business ventures. So here's why we trust them. They work with multiple top-tier business founders and get you a decision quickly. They often put money in your account in just 24 to 48 hours. Plus, they offer a $500 meet or beat guarantee. Apply with them and with other lenders. If anyone offers a better deal, they'll match it or give you $500. They've never had to pay it because their offers are that competitive. If you've got a steady revenue, have been in business at least 6 months, and your bank statements are in decent shape, there's a strong chance that you'll qualify even with average credit. So if you need to cover expenses now or fund your next big project, click on the link below in the description, watch the short video from DAC's founder, and submit the quick application to see if you can get funded within the next 1 to 2 business days.